Talo po tayo mga kabarangay Lakers. Ano po nangyari? Hindi po kinaya ang New York Knicks. Kaya yan po ang ang 5 points ang lamang sa huling nila. Tingnan niyo na lang po ang score. Okay? Knicks defeat Lakers 114-109. Talo po tayo mga ka-Lakers.
And that's what he did in that third and fourth quarter. He kind of flipped his okay. We just came off the road, now we can go back on the road, and then went a little mentally. But this is one of those games when you look back at you guys and you know, you lost this because you didn't fight enough.
Look, as you mentioned it, Art,